Welcome back to my channel. That felt so good to say because I have not said that in like a year and a half to 2 years, and every single time I've been watching like the other YouTubers, all their videos, they always say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I've been dying to say that. So guys, no, seriously, welcome back. It's been about a year and a half or 2 years that I have not filmed a video, and you know, a lot of things have been changing, which is really, really good. As you know, life changes, and life throws you things sometimes that, you know, you get so busy and you forget about the things that like you love doing. But, for the past year and a half, I was in graduate school, and as you guys know, I teach music full time. So that's my passion. So is beauty and everything, but music teaching is actually what I went for college. So as you guys know, when you really, really do love something, you tend to go back to it and see if you can learn more and more about your craft. And I went back to school for my master's for music because I wanted to learn more. And, you know, receiving that master's, it was tough. You had to write a lot. You had to do a lot of research. So it did take a lot of time out. And then I guess when I graduated with my master's, I wanted to take a little break, you know. But then, you know, when you take that break and then you want to take a break for like a week, and then it just kind of turns into a month or two. So I've been slacking on YouTube, but guys, I am back. I have to say thank you guys so much to all of you subscribers. You guys have Instagrammed me, you have Facebooked me, you have written emails to me, you left comments in the sections below of all my other videos, and you kept saying, you know, when are you going to do another video? When are you going to do another video? So that really did motivate me to do these videos because, you know, you guys are watching, and I think that's great. You know, YouTube did inspire me to do a lot of things that I'm doing now in my life, and I will tell you about that right now. So when I started YouTube, guys, I started to fall in love with beauty, putting on makeup, and like just learning to know about your body and like routines. Get ready with me, get unready with me, and it inspired me to open up my own company of bath and beauty products because I saw that there were other beauty girls, entrepreneurs on here that did that. Like they make their own eyeshadow palettes and everything. So you guys, it was really because of YouTube why I did this. Now, sorry guys, I'm like starting to get a cold, and you know when you get the sniffles, but like I didn't want to like blow my nose because then I'd have like a red nose. But I'm just like drinking a lot of water to like help me out. So about a year and a half ago, 2 years actually, I started I opened up my own company, and it's called Caramel Shop, and I will, this is the picture right here down below, and here's the link if you guys want to check it out. So it is bath and beauty products. I make shampoo, I make soap, lotions and everything. So as you guys know, like if you guys love Lush, these are bath bombs that I make. This right here, you would think that this is actually like a real cupcake, but it's not. It's actually a soap cupcake. Oh my goodness. Oh man. It smells like flowers, of course, you could see, but it's actually like a Wonderland cupcake. You guys could see that there's a key on it. So these are creations that I've been making. This here is a moisturizing, conditioning shaving soap, and it's in the shape of a rose. And as you see that there's gold drizzled mica all over it. And that's actually one of my best products that, you know, I gave people a few samples of it, and they started buying it, and they loved it. So that's been taking a lot of my time because, as you guys know, as an entrepreneur, there are no days off for you. Like if I'm making the products, I have to package them, I have to find the right idea for them, I have to get the customers. A lot of my products are actually in stores, so it's just even about the marketing. And even if you have like like a day that, you know, you don't want to do anything for your company, you still technically are, because you might go on social media and like post a picture or like answer emails. But that's one of the things that I've been doing in the past year and a half. Now, the other company that I also started, this was actually with one of my best friends. Um, and this is our subscription box. It's called Lumina Lather, and again, I will put the link right over here for you guys to, you know, check it out. It is on Instagram and Facebook, so right here, if you guys see, we are on Facebook and Instagram, and we have our hashtag Lumina Lather. Now, if you guys are familiar with Cratejoy is a subscription box website that you guys can, like, you know, look in the search engine and like type up Wonderland or like Bath and Beauty. And we specifically, in the box, we have Bath and Beauty products alongside with wax tarts, room spray, candles, you know, many other things, and it's been going really, really well. Now here is a shampoo that was from the Lumina Lather February 2018 box. This was, it's called As You Wish shampoo, and we also had a conditioner. But this was, if you guys remember in The Princess Bride, there was a quote that said, "As you wish," really, really means I love you. So it's really cute. It was a shampoo and conditioner in one. So that was one of the products that we did. This one here, I'm going to show you another one. This was from, what was it called? Oh my God, how do I? Oh, Game of Thrones. A lot of you guys are huge fans of Game of Thrones. So we had a Winter is Coming box, and this was in September 2017. So this was called Dornish Kiss Lip Gloss. And I love red lipstick, so I decided to make that. And it was, you know, a very, very, like a subtle hint of red, but the ingredients in there were just amazing for your skin. So guys, again, Caramel Shop, Lumina Lather, those are the companies that I have been working on for the past year and a half. Graduated with my master's. I'm teaching these wonderful students. Seriously, I don't know what I would do without, you know, my lovely job, because it's that type of job where, again, you want to wake up every single day and go to this job because you motivate and you inspire these students. But like, they're amazing because they work so hard. And you know, of course you're gonna have your days that, you know, you have a bad day and you're like, oh man, you know, what am I doing? But most of the time, like 98%, I walk out of my job every single day and say, this is great. So that's what I've been doing for the past year and a half. So guys, I've been busy, but I will be back with more videos. So let me know what your first video wants to be. Is it this makeup that I have on? Okay guys, so the next thing I want to talk to you, and this is actually like a little personal, but I wanted to like throw it out there because I really need the motivation and inspiration from you guys again on here. So last week I attended my first Weight Watchers meeting, and it took a while for me to go there because I'm thinking, okay, I could do this on my own. You know, I'm always, you know, I don't drink enough water like I need to. You know, I'm always thinking that I could do this by myself, but there was like, I was going to the gym a lot and everything, and you know, I was toning up, you know, everything was looking nice except for the numbers were not going down on the scale. So something was going on. So the app really has been working with me because they tell you how many points you're supposed to have, you know, within that week and everything. So and it's like a flex points thing. So if you exercise or if you want to have more points, they give you some more points in case you go over your points from that day. But what I realized is that I wasn't drinking enough water. A lot of my points was going to liquid food like soda, ginger ale. I would have like a can of Snapple, and like that was like literally your meal. So I'm learning a lot about how you know, food works in general, like if you do want to lose weight from this program. So guys, I need the motivation. next Tuesday is my weigh-in, so I'm like, I'm not really worried because actually I went on the scale this morning and I was like 3.5 pounds down. So, all right, like it's working. I will keep you up to date with what happens. I hope I don't I hope I don't lose motivation here. I'm gonna need your support. So if there are any Weight Watchers people out there, comment on this. Tell me how you guys are doing, because I see that it really is a support system. Even on the app, they have like a community where you could talk to people and they show you pictures of like what they eat, recipes, how many pounds they lost. So it really has been great. So guys, again, here I am. I just told you my personal story. Oh wait, and you know what I actually got this weekend to help me, because during when you are dieting, especially like when you're on Weight Watchers, it's good to like track the food that you're eating, but also you have to like plan ahead of time of what you're gonna do. So if you go to Michael's, I just got this cute little planner. It's called Hustle for That Muscle, and it tells you like 30-day challenges, the goals that you have, a progress tracker, and then what I like is that they have the week of, and you can actually write down like all the food that you're eating, and it has glasses of water that you can write down and the hours of sleep. And again, guys, I really did see that I was drinking too much soda, too much coffee with, cream in it and everything, when you should actually be drinking water. I didn't realize how much water you should be drinking to lose weight. And this I have not, punched holes in yet, but this is actually, I don't know, I actually wanted to get this just because it was like really, really beautiful. It was a nice planner. But they had like inserts that it says here, take care of your body because it's the only place that you live in. So I actually just wanted to like track things and exercise, food, and exercise log, because it's also the physical activities that you do as well, to help you lose weight. So I'm going to be getting more exercise in during the next couple weeks. So guys, again, if you need any motivation for, Weight Watchers, for those of you that are losing weight, you can follow me on my Instagram as well, and I will link it down here. And let me know what type of video you guys want to see for the next video that I make, because I am going to make another video, okay? A makeup tutorial, a hair tutorial. So let me know what you guys want to see, all right? Until next time, bye.